Hello friends, welcome to Dev's Coding Hub.
Our next topic is font element. Font element deals with text to be displayed. How the text will be used or what typeface should be used for the text. What should be the size of the text, what should be the color of the text can be controlled by font element. So here how we can use font element. If I write font, I must use the type attribute. That's because then I will be able to specify the font that will be used to display the text. So here I am using Comic Sans MS font and the data or the content formatted data will be displayed using Comic Sans MS, and then I am closing the font type. In the next example, I am using the size attribute also. Remember, I have used the largest size of text, which is 7. The size attribute of font tag can use a value from 1 to 7, where 1 is the smallest text size and 7 is the largest. And by default, what is displayed is called the default or normal text size, which is actually 3. If I don't use the size attribute, then the size of the text will be 3, which is normal. Next attribute we can use is color attribute. COLOR, not COLOUR. In the color attribute, we will specify the color of the text. In this case, I have specified the color of the text as blue. And this text, which is between font opening and closing, this is a demo font element, will be displayed in Comic Sans font, and it will be the largest text size, which is 7, and the color of the text will be blue.